What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you can see, I'm already on the water, and we have been on the water for quite a while. So, met up with the boys, George and Anthony. They're already down there in that boat. We've been on it for about an hour, and I already did an intro when we got here. My main plan was to do like a Googan bait slam and catch a fish on like every single Googan bait. That was the main thing. But then, I mean, this weather, it was raining, now it's stopped, and it's kind of a cold front, it's kind of chilly out here, so it's all over the place. So I don't think the Googan bait slam is gonna happen anymore, which is why I'm making a new intro. I'll show you some of the old intro right now. Ladies and gentlemen, there he is.
The return!
The return of G. Norick! One there looks pretty good. That back corner looks pretty solid, so we're just waiting for Sampras to get here, and of course he's not here yet. But me and George are rigging up, we're ready to go, and we're gonna catch some fish today, boys. Let's do it. So I'm doing a bit of a switch up. We've been out here for about an hour to an hour and a half. I think one of them lost a fish, and I haven't gotten any action. So we were fishing this deep end, wasn't catching a thing, and I was trying to do the Googan bait challenge. It's not working, so I'm switching up just a little bit. Going to the shallow end, I'm gonna find some shallower water where there's a lot of weeds, and I'm going like weightless. Like right now, I hate it, guys, but I got a little drag and drop on a drop shot right here on this one. And then on my bait caster, I do have a bandito bug with a slight weight on it, just to let it sink a little bit. And we're gonna try to get these fish. They're not active, they're not eating. We're searching for them back here, we're searching for them all over. So it's already been pretty tricky out here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We're currently at 8,000. Why is that goose doing that? Keep it moving, pal. All right, like I was saying, we are currently at 8,300 subscribers. So you guys want to join the team and get me to 10K. Hit that notification bell down below and that subscribe button, and let's get fishing. And we're gonna try to pull off a few fish here. Going all finesse today, guys. You guys know I don't like it, but we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna try to catch some fish. And why are these guys doing that, huh? Those guys are just being so loud. They weren't even chirping before I started recording, but stick along. Let's do it. There's one. I got a fish. Fish on the wacky rig. Wacky rig Senko. We got a bass. Fish on, baby. Come on. Come on. Man, she's got a lot of fight. First cast with the wacky rig over here. I think it's a bass. It's a nice largie, nice largie, nice largie. Get in here, get in here. Let's go, baby. First bass of the day, boys. Fish on. All right, boys, first fish of the day. Sorry, I'm chewing my almonds. Been skunked all day, but this one hit the wacky rig. I actually cast it out of real shallow. Anthony literally yelled across the lake that he caught a fish on the wacky rig. So I was like, you know what? I'll give it a toss. And then first cast with it, caught a fish. Boys, we are back. We've been fishless for ages. I'm gonna get out the big camera because this is literally a big deal because we haven't caught a fish all day, or I haven't at least. All right, guys. All right, so we knew going into today it was gonna be a rough one after a little bit. You guys see me okay? But finally pulled one off on the 5-inch Googan bait Lunker log right there, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's it's not a bad one. Little chunky guy right there. Cannot complain. Doing a little bit of finesse fishing out here, and looks like I'm gonna stick to the wacky rig. Casted that one in shallow water, just kind of let it sit. And he just kind of smoked it. Awesome. The color I'm using today is black and blue flake. Good color. Mine's kind of stained water, so I want to go with the black and blue color. And she's going to come out perfectly. Boop. Hook comes right out. We're going to put her back in the water, baby. Let's go. Caught right over back there somewhere. We're going to put her back. Right now I'm sitting in deep water. I cast that one up real shallow. Hopefully we can finesse a few more. Water's nice and cold too. My goodness. She's getting her. Oh man, she kicks right off. Woo! So that's fish numero uno today. I'm not even kidding. We've probably been out here for about 3 to 4 hours. It is bad. For you guys, it's been probably about like 30 seconds since I last talked to you guys, but it has been a battle out here, and maybe that's gonna turn it on, man. The rain's been in and out all day. It was sunny. My shirt was off at one point. Not even kidding. Then it started pouring, so I had to put everything back on. But I'm gonna cast right back in there and see if we can't catch some more fish. It's raining. This dude's got a winter hat on and a sweatshirt. In the f***ing rain. That's so funny. It's pouring and it's got no rain gear on. That's so funny. There's one. I got one. Let's go, baby. I'm a lunker log. Let's go, baby. Jeez, I was reeling up my line, dude, and I was reeling towards me. My line was going straight at me, so I knew I had one on. That's a nice bass, dude. Oh no, my other lure stuck to my leg. That's a nice one. Let's go. Woo! Hell yeah, baby. Second fish of the day. Sorry about, they're mowing the lawn literally right there, but he choked that lunker log, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wanted that. Check that out. In the middle of the rain. We're going to take this one out. Wacky rig on the Senko. The boys behind me are catching so many. They got, I think they have 4 total, 2 apiece. And I finally got one on the wacky worm again. And everything's stuck on me right now. What's going on? This right here, boys, is my second fish of the day on the wacky worm, the lunker log. They already got 4 in their boat over there. They're not waving for some reason, but not a bad fish. We're gonna toss her back right here. We're looking for some more. It's been an absolute grind out here. And sorry for all the bad volume, the noise. They're mowing lawns behind me here. In the rain, baby. There we go. On the 5-inch lunker log. If you guys wanna get these 15% off, use my code Cesar over at Google Squad. But we're gonna try to catch some more. All the mowers are in the distance. So I caught that last bass and the mowers are crazy. So the audio is probably terrible for it. But I just want to show you guys real quick what we are doing. So George and Anthony caught like 2 bass and they caught them both on a wacky rig on a Senko. And they told me that because I'm in this, and obviously the other boat. So they told me, and I was like, you know what? I got to rig one up. So I got the 5-inch lunker log. I don't prefer the 5 over the 6. I just had the 5s on me. And so that's why I put it on. And I was kind of rigging it like this. So you see, I wasn't rigging it in the middle. I kind of rigged it. Let me try to get a better view. I try to rig it like a little bit lopsided. So when it falls a little lopsided. You know what I mean? Instead of straight down. I don't know, just a little bit of a different presentation. Sometimes that will trigger the bass. And for the hook I'm using, unfortunately, I don't know the exact, you know, what hook it is. But I do know it is a smaller hook, and it's one I use for my drop shots. I didn't want to put a big hook on because there are so many weeds everywhere. I wanted a small hook and barely poke it through the Senko. But yeah, that's exactly what we're throwing today. Only caught 2 bass in it so far. Saw a 3rd one. They've got 4 total in their boat, 2 per guy, so we got 6 fish total. That's not terrible, but we've been really grinding it out here. It just jumped on us for like 20 minutes. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. It's a little bit different. We're not catching that much, but it's tricky out here, and sometimes you gotta change it up until you find where they're hitting. But now we know they're hitting the black and blue flake Senkos. Let's catch some more. Well, guys, that's gonna end the day today, and to be honest, it was kind of a brutal one. We didn't really catch anything to begin with, but we ended up, I got 2 fish. George, where is he? George got 3, had 4, but lost 1. And then Ant got 2. And so, like, to be honest, like, that's not terrible if you think about it, but like, we came out here expecting to catch every single fish in that lake. And we were struggling. We were throwing so many baits. And so the boys finally figured out, like, they were biting the wacky rig Senkos. It kept raining. Like, it's still raining right now. It kind of let up a little bit, but it's been dumping on us, and then it's been sunny. They've been dumping on us. So it's been kind of hectic today. So I know I didn't catch that many fish for you guys, but I do hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun filming with these boys. Today was a good day. Kind of.
That's all I gotta say a word.
Yeah.
It's good to be back, guys. Had a lot of fun fishing with Kate again.
Not Anthony though.
And I mean, I caught the most fish, obviously the best fisherman here, so I might start my own channel.
Definitely
I'll have
not.
Kate plug that down.
Okay. Guy catches 3 fish one time in his life and he's like going nuts. But if you guys did enjoy today's video, hit that big thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button down below. Like I said, sorry we didn't catch more fish for you guys today, but today was a brutal one. I'm just happy that we found out what they are biting. Nothing feels better than when you finally find what they're biting, and we caught a few. And I know the audio was a little bit bad, but that's all right. But come on, bro. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.